Hey everyone, this is Kevin with Master Odor Removal. We're here in Kennesaw today working on a 2018 Mercedes C63 AMG V8 twin turbo. And this is really a very nice car. They cleaned it up very nice. I think they came in as a trade-in, but there you go. Check that baby out. But it was also the party mobile. The former owners, they had a good time in this thing. They smoked weed, so that's what it smells like. And the former owners, before trading in, they planted a air freshener inside. In fact, I found the grate to the thing right here. It's like a hummingbird, some sort of floral smell that's going on. But you know, if you close the doors, I mean, there's just no doubt what was going on. The detailers, you know, they worked hard. They got this thing cleaned up, but it's just that last hurdle of getting this smell out. So they gave us a call. But we're going to work on this. We're going to treat headliner, carpet, seats, mats, and trunk air conditioning system. And we're going to remediate this. And when we're done, you won't even know anyone smoked in this thing. And it'll be a sweet ride. But give us a call. Happy to help you out. Answer questions. We work on real estate, cars, pretty much anything that retains odors. Smoke smell, pet smell, food smell, even the mysteries. But happy to answer questions and chat with you on the phone. 470-869-3330. You guys have a great day. Take care.